Now come to the schedule 5 and 6. I wrote them together because in both of them there is a provision related to tribal people, but there is a little difference between 5th and 6th schedule. What about 5th schedule? There is a provision related to the administration of scheduled tribes and scheduled areas. So now if you don't have any idea about scheduled areas and scheduled tribes, what is that thing? So I am giving you a little explanation. So scheduled areas or scheduled tribes are those areas in India where the tribal people live at their particular place, where government takes care of their particular area for their safety, for their culture and economic activities also. Now come to the schedule 6. There is a provision for also tribal areas, but they are particular for tribal areas in northeastern states. Only for northeastern states, and they are Meghalaya, Mizoram, Assam and Tripura. So the tribal people of these four states comes under the provision of Schedule 6, in which government also takes care of their culture, their safety, etc. So if a question occurs like this, in which schedule there is a provision for scheduled area and scheduled tribes, so your answer should be schedule 5. But if a question occurs in which schedule there is a provision for northeastern states tribal people or tribal areas, so your answer should be schedule 6. And yes, also learn these four names because these four names also given in the exam in the form of matching or in different forms of questions. Fine, difference is clear. This is for all over India and this is only for four tribal areas and their name are given here for you. Now come to schedule 7.